What if I told you you could start reversing insulin resistance right from your kitchen? No expensive meds, no crazy diets, just real foods you can grab on your next grocery run. Stay with me, because these 9 foods could help you avoid diabetes, kidney failure, and even amputations down the road. Here's the truth. 88% of adults are metabolically unhealthy, and insulin resistance is the hidden culprit. But I'm not just going to tell you what to eat. I'll show you what you must avoid first, so you don't sabotage your results. And wait till you hear food number 6. It's not even food at all. The food group to remove. Before we fix insulin resistance, let's stop making it worse. Cut out these 8 inflammatory seed oils called PUFAs, the hateful 8: canola oil, corn oil, cottonseed oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, rice bran oil, and grapeseed oil. These toxic oils can inflame your cells for years. Replace them with healthy fats, and your body will thank you. The 9 foods to add. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Grab a pen, you'll want this shopping list. Food number 1, eggs, with the yolk. Egg yolks are packed with choline, a powerhouse nutrient for your liver. They barely spike glucose or insulin, so scramble away. Food number 2, extra virgin olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Olive oil literally helps your cells become more insulin sensitive. Ditch the vegetable oil, drizzle real olive oil instead. Food number 3, wild-caught salmon. Low omega-3s are linked to insulin resistance, but wild-caught salmon flips the script. Get those healthy fats, not the toxic farmed kind. Food number 4, avocado. Twice the potassium of bananas, plus anti-inflammatory phytosterols and vitamin B5 for your adrenals. Spread it, slice it, just eat it. Food number 5, grass-fed ghee. Ghee can improve your cholesterol and metabolic health. Try a tablespoon in your coffee for an extra boost. Food number 6, nothing. Intermittent fasting. Yep, nothing is something. Time-restricted eating lowers insulin, improves glucose, and shrinks your waistline. Sometimes what you don't eat matters more. Food number 7, ginger. Ginger rolls in ginger help your body use up glucose more efficiently. Sip ginger tea or chew on fresh ginger root. Food number 8, apple cider vinegar. ACV balances blood sugar. Studies show it can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 34% after a high-carb meal. Food number 9, cinnamon. Cinnamon mimics insulin. Sprinkle it before meals to keep blood sugar in check naturally. Bonus power tips. Here's your bonus tip. Always start your meals with protein. Protein first blunts the sugar spike. And for extra credit, take a 20-minute walk after your biggest meal. Research shows it can dramatically lower post-meal blood sugar. Hit that like button if you're ready to take control of your health, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. And hey, what's one food you're adding to your cart today? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. Want to learn the 3 biggest mistakes people make with fasting? Tap this next video. It could save you from the sugar crash and binge cycle. I'll see you there. Stay healthy, stay informed.